Lordship, the witness is getting emotional now.
Do you want a comfort break?
To be careful, everyone.
My lord, maybe we can just take a 5 minutes comfort break.
Bekwafuneka bona ijama isikhatshana ikhothe lalele icala lokubulawa kwakaSenzo Meyiwa ngemva kokuthi ufakazi wombuso uZandi Khumalo akhidle isililo nakethula ubufakazi.
2018 yadibana noRamza apha embekweni and then ndacela indlu. 2019 I received indlu nge-14 kaNovember.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa nabongqongqothe bakhe bavakatshele isifunda seTjingalanga Kapa ukuyokuzwa inlilo zabantu embizweni yomphakathi.
I don't have any fear. It's going to be talks, but everybody will be watching.
Wonke amehlo aseniqhemeni ezibaleka ukugawula lizembe njengoba nayiphela isizini ka-2022-2023 ye-DStv Premiership sasa. Sizikhatsha ukusuka emzimkhulu we-SABC e-Auckland Park ziza kuwe ngesiNdebele ku-SABC 1 lotshani emakhaya.
Thina na SABC News sidosela umtato nangabe unomhlala wendaba. Indaba ukusiluma indlebe namkha indaba ezintswenyako emphakathini wankenu. Ngasidosela umtato ku 011 714 6133 namkha usi-emailele ku news@sabc.co.za. SABC News, phimbo lakho, isijamele ayithatha ihlangothi.
Ufakazi wombuso ecaleni lokubulawa kwakasomapala webafana bafana uSenzo Meyiwa ukhedle isililo kwafuneka bona ikhotho ijame isikhatshana ukulalela ubufakazi. uZandile Khumalo ufikelwe ezinyembezi nakakhuluma ngalokhu akukhumbulako ngelanga kwabulawa ngalo uMeyiwa. Icala lilalelwe ekhotho ephakemeko ePitori.
Kube lilanga elibudisi kufakazi wombuso uZandile Khumalo namhlanje kwabe kwakateleleka bona ikhotho ijame isikhatshana.
Lordship, the witness is getting emotional now.
Do you want a comfort break?
To be careful, everyone.
My lord, maybe we can just take a 5 minutes comfort break.
Nanyana kunjalo ngaphambi kobana uKhumalo afike lokuthuwa khulu uhlathululele ikhotho indlela asebenza ngayo ukulinga ukujamisa ukopha kwakaMeyiwa nabasendleleni yesibhedlela. Lokhu kulandela ukudunyuzwa kwakaMeyiwa ekhabo lentombakhe uKelly Khumalo eFosloras ngo-2014. uKhumalo uthi wayesolahlola uMeyiwa ebusweni amphumbutha nobusobu amba ukuthi angakhangavala amehlo.
uKelly wayedriver futhi driver egijima.
Now, Kelly was driving and she was driving at a high speed.
Yes, Ms. Lucy.
And then while isamsiza kanjalo uSenzo mase sofika ngase emarobhothini sebuthilong ngoba ngangimbambile ngibeka isandla futhi la ithawula lalikhona ngangiphinde futhi ngimthinte nasebusweni ngithi Senzo vula amehlo Senzo vula amehlo sesiyafika esibhedlela.
uKhumalo ubuye wahlathululela ikhotho ukuthi wayifihla njani ifoni ngemva kokungenelwa abasolwa abatsho babasahlela bafuna imfoni imali nokhunye. uKhumalo uthi nakabuyela ekhaya kwabe selekuzela abantu abanengikhulu kubalwa nezinye ingikhulu zakwaHulumende angasazikhumbuli kamagamazo. Leli lilanga lesibili lokuthula ubufakazi kwakaKhumalo phambi kwekhotho ephakemeko yePitori lapha achuka khona lijaji uGeorge Baloyi. Icaleli lithuliselwe nge-12 kumgwengweni.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kunye nabongqongqothe bakhe namhlanje bebavakatshele isifunda seTjingalanga Kapa ukuyokuzwa inlilo zezakhamuzi zesifunda naziza ekulethelweni izenzelwa zomphakathi. Le bekuyimbizo yomphakathi.
Liyara gijima likaMengameli lokukhamba zonke imfunda zenarha ngehloso yokuzinlilo zamaSouth Africa. Namhlanje imbizo kaMengameli beyisesifundeni seTjingalanga Kapa. Njengemhleni kulomhlobo embizo bekunezakhamuzi ezivelene endaweni ngokuhlukana kwazo ebeziyokulilela uMengameli ngezinto ezizihlogako.
If upresident akathathe ukujikela phana kukho indawo ekuthiwa kusenyunywini kukho indawo ekuthiwa kuphansi kwemithi
If the president can go and see there's places there.
Nandawo even nomntana wakho awunawuvuma into yoba makahlale kuyo
Even you won't allow your own child to grow there.
Kubani owaza nomthetho umzali xa esweleka eaplayele indlu. Then i-application umzali xa esweleka ne-application yasweleka.
Hlangana labe kade baphiwa ithuba lokukhuluma nomengameli babekhona ababenemiphakamiso zomraro wegezi osahlela inarha le yonke.
When it comes to the electricity crisis, we're asking international countries for solutions, not ourselves. When we are at Stellenbosch, the creators of nuclear energy, we at South Africa have gas that we can get from the Karoo. We've got all these solutions, but we're asking all the international countries for it. I have contacted Minister Ramaphosa, but I also want to say hi to you. Nice to meet you. I'm at Stellenbosch if you ever want to find me. I don't have any questions, but hi.
Iindaba ebulelesi nayo ikhulunyiwe isifunda seTjingalanga Kapa saziwa njengesifunda la kagele khona amagenge. Umengameli uthi kunehlelo likhona lokulwisana nobulelesi. Umengameli uthi abantu bembaji kufuze bahlogomela abantu bengubo.
Men must stop abusing the women of South Africa. They are not our toys. We must treat the women of our country with respect.
Endabeni yegezi umengameli uthi lobu busika kuyoba ngobumakhaza kakhulu kodwa nongqongqotjhe wezegezi uphezu kwendaba yokuqeda ukuqindeliswa kwegezi. Ngingofilmon Sikhosana endabeni ze-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Inkatha Freedom Party ithi ukuthumba kwayo amakhetha ukukhibelela mhlapha nje kwaZulu Natal kutshengise bona ukukhula kwehlangano le kunzinzile njengoba kuyiwe emakhethweni ka-2024.
Unobhala zombelele we-IFP uSiphosethu Ngcobo uthi bathole isekelo endaweni ebebanganasekelo kizo phambilini. uNgcobo wenza isibonelo ngokuthi baketula i-ANC kumasipalata weMtubatuba ku-Ward 9 ngoTshirhweni ngo-2019 nakumasipalata weMhlaba yalingana ku-Ward 19 ngoSihlabantangana.
The results of by-elections have been a clear indicator that our message and our commitment focusing on grassroots have borne fruit.
uNgcobo uthi bazibophelele kuphumeleliseni qalondanzi lomsunguli nokumengameli wehlangano le uMangosuthu Buthelezi.
As a party, we have been consistent in our vision and commitment to be servant leaders.
Uthi batsho amakhetho akathunjwa ngokwenza izinto sekuchitela isikhathi samakhetho kodwana athunjwa ngokuthi umphakathi ube nethemba kini lokubana nizobalethela izenzelwa.
Nasibuya entolo.
People eat a lot when they are home. So some people have made the fridge their permanent residential address.
Ziyababaza izazi zithi ubusika abunakubalekelo akukhambeki ngombana imbaseli ziyabiza kanti nokuhlala ngendlini ugcina sewudla khulu. Zindaba zesiNdebele ku SABC 1 ziyatholakala na ungangena ku YouTube uthi SABC Iindaba zesiNdebele asirage nazo. Ugogo lomntazana ekuthiwa batsho uhlabe uyise ngeno ebukhali wambulala eGreen Point eKimberley uthi ungazimbi bekakhahlumeza umndeni. Nabekakhuluma ne-SABC ngokukhethekileko ugogo uthe izizukulwane zakhe bezibalekela kwakhe uyise nakathoma ukulwa nabo nomala bentwana ba. Kanti nanyana zandile izehlakalo zokukhahlumezana ngokobulili endaweni le izakhamuzi zithi zisathukiwe ngesehlakalo lesi.
Uthuke wonke umphakathi walapha. Ugogo uthi usola bona umntazana lo ubulela uyise ngokusilingwa mumukghwakhe wokubakhahlumeza.
Since that man married my daughter, there was never peace. And all the 4 children that they have by her, all of them, they know that life. They must just run and hide. Since they got married, until this thing happened now, that child, my grandchild, the one that stabbed her father, she couldn't take it any longer because he came here and he came to fetch, they both walked home.
Umakhelwane uthi batsho umntazana lo bekakhahlumezwa ngise ngokomsemo ukusikela seseneminyaka eli-15.
I only know because the child came to my house one night and it was about 11, 12 o'clock in the night. So she ran in here with a little brother. So she was trying to find place to sleep because the father wanted to be with her. So I asked her, how does he want to be with you? He wants me to sleep with him, and my mother is drunk, my mother is sleeping.
Abantu bengubo kule ndawo bathi zivamile izihlakalo ezifana nalezi kodwa nabomthetho bazeqisela amehlo.
Sometimes women are vulnerable. You stay in an abusive relationship because you don't have work, you don't have money. So the guy will beat you up, you will go back there. Women are dying here.
Umndazana lo uvele kafeaturesana ekhotho kaMagistrata weKimberley ngecala lokubulala kanti ubekwe ngaphasi kwetshejo likanina. Icala lisulisele uLwesihlanu ngeveke zako.
Kuphazamisekile ukufunda esikoleni seSiholola High eServeyfontein kwadlawulala eLimpopo. Isikolo singaphasi kwakamasipalata weElias Motsoaledi. Lokho kulandela ukungaboni ngelihlo linye kwabanye ababelethi noprincipala ngokuthengwa kwemtshini wokuphotocopy wesikolo.
Lwesi yoni wamlilo ngomnyaka opheleleko. Bonakala izinto eziningi ekubalwa nomtshini wokuphotocopy hlangana nokhunye. Ngemva komnyaka isikolo esisiqalene nomraro wokuhlayela kwensetshenziswa zesikolo kwathiwa abafundi abakhuphe imali. Ngokutsho kombiko otholakeleko kunabafundi abangakakhona ukuyikhupha imali leyo kwathiwa bahlala ekhaya. Kanti indaba le ibangele ukuthi ababelethi abanye bayokuchaga le masangeni wesikolo bekwabizwa namapholisa.
Ka dikolo jwalo ga re kgopela SCP gore di le yona re bola le yona ka mabapi ditaba tsa bana tsa sekolo ba re bile tsa maphodisa.
Ke na le bana ba bararo ba re ntshidi 300 jwale nna ke na mothushi.
Zefundo esifundeni seLimpopo uthi uprincipal uyayilandula yokuthi batsho kunabafundi abaqothiweko kanti uthi batsho umraro uthome bona abakhumbuze ukuthi akhenge bakhuphe umnikelo. Umnyango uthi ayisiyo ikatelelo indaba yokuthi abafundi bakhuphe bonke ngombana isivumelwano senziwa ababelethi nomkhandlo wengamela abafundi ukuthi basizane bakhuphe umnikelo loyo ukulwisana nokuhlayela kwensetshenziswa zesikolo.
Aware of the situation that unfolded this afternoon at the school when parents stormed the gate of the school demanding that the principal refund them the monies that they have contributed for the purchase of electronic devices that they have agreed to in the meeting that they had together with the SGB. We must indicate that the principal did not expel any learner from school. All the learners, whether parents have paid or not, they are still attending.
Umfundo Limpopo uthi akekho umfundo ofanele ahlale ekhaya ngombana angakakhuphi imali omnikelo. Kanti uthi sikhuluma nje umtshini loyo selebe uthengiwe begodu ubababelethi isikolo nomphakathi ukuthi bahlale phasi godu bararulule umraro lo. Nginguphindile Msiza wendaba ze SABC eAuckland Park eJohannesburg.
Siphasikhulu isibalo selutsha elizihlolisela ukuvota eSouth Africa. Bayi 35 yamaphesenti abantu abatsha abazihlolisele ukuvota. Esifundeni sePumalanga bayi 15 yamaphesenti abantu abatsha abazihlolisele ukuvota emakhethini womnyaka ozako.
Asemnyango amakhetho ngo-2024 kanti inarha le yanda ngelutsha kodwana ubuningi balo alizibandakanya emakhethweni. Unobangela yini?
Akukho important because akunalishintsho still kunetinto letindakalako njengalo letinto double shading nani still kuyanza solo labanye abantu ba homeless yakubona labanye basolo balola kufundza la sikoleni nje akunamehluko baleli NSFAS tinda tishintsho.
I don't think voting has made any difference because, I mean, graduates are coming from school, still don't have jobs, the load shedding.
Ukuvota lilungelo lisemthethweni lalaba abaneminyaka eli-18 nangaphezulu.
I see there's a lot of corruption that's happening, and as youth we are not like entertaining to those things, so we want to fight. So I want to just to choose a best or a politics lingasimela because now we are failing as South Africa.
Decided to register to vote this year because it is important to vote because of the benefit that we get as students.
Ikomishini yezamakhetho ifuna ukukhuphula inani lelutsha elizihlolisela ukuvota ngokubafundisa ngokuqakatheka kokuvota ejimini layo lenkolo zamabanga phezulu.
Sibonile kakhulu kunamba yethu njengoba sibuka cishe sina 35% ye youth ku the whole country. So siyiMpumalanga asinabo labaningi kakhulu ku youth lababhalisele ukuvota. besihleli la kubo 15%. So siphume ngedingane ke ukuthi singene etikolweni, singene kuma tertiary institutions lapho sifundzisa khona abantwana besikolo ukuthi babhalisele ukuvota nokuthi kungani ukuthi badzinge babhalisele ukuvota.
Abantu abavumelekileko bona bangavota bakhuthaza bona bazihlolisele ukuvota ku website ye-IEC namkha ema-ofisini ye-IEC aseduze.
Kufikile ubusika buza nendleko eziphezulu phezu kokuthi vele abantu badosa nzima. Izazi zithi abantu badla khulu nakumakhaza.
Isazi sezemali sithi ubusika abuzi bodwa buza nendleko zabo. Lokhu kwenzeka njengombana abantu abanengi bafuna ukuzivikela elotheni ngapha nokulamba balamba msinyana.
People prefer to stay indoors during winter as opposed to doing entertainment outdoors. That also comes with additional costs. People eat a lot when they are home. So some people have made the fridge their permanent residential address. So we eat and drink a lot.
Umanyike uthi abantu abanengi bahlala ngendlini nakumakhaza. Babalekele ukuthi bangasebenzisi imali ukuthela imbaseli kodwa nakuyafana ngombana nakumakhaza abantu badla khulu nokuthi solo bangendlini ngombana ukuhlala ndawonye nakho kukodwa kuyalambisa.
End of season sales, buy for the next year. That will allow you to just avoid some of the inflationary increase that are facing us immediately. You also know that at the end of the season the retail come down.
Nanyana amancane amathuba ukuthi abantu bangehlisa intengo zabo kodwa na izazi zithi kungaba nendinyana nokho abantu nabangajugulula indlela abasebenzisa ngayo imali ebusika ukuthenga izembatho ukuthenga ukudla nokudla khulu.
Ibhizinisi yokuthengisa amachachacha limgogodla wemikhaya eminingi. Nanyana abiza kangaka nje amafutha okupheka kodwa abaziphilisa ngokuthengisa amachachacha solo bamemelelele nanyana umnotho uwohloka nje.
Umakwadi Cheche udabuka eLesotho weza lapha eSouth Africa aqothwa umthlago ngikhabo. Unabantwana ababili yeke ibhizinisi ayifumanise eduze ngile yokubhaga amachachacha. Unamnyaka kiyo uthi khona kuyaphileka ngombana abantwana balala badlile.
Ke ne ke ditse ke tsamaya ka di-emere tsenana ke ya hodimo ke ya tlase ke ntse ke batlana le poleke empa o fihleletse ntate modimo a ntlhonofatsa ke ba ke bona hore jwale mona ke na le tio ke na le mamello ya hore nthwena ihlile ke a etsa.
Upalesa Mansi yena ke onabantwana bathathu walahlekelwa umsebenzi ngenxa ye-COVID-19 naye wabona kungcono ukungena kule bhizinisi yamachachacha. Uthi kubuthaka khona kodwa na babambelele.
The business is still slow, is on and off, but it's still going on. It's on and off because of the prices. The prices they're going up, very up, because the cake flour now it's 164.
Yindando amachachacha endleleni zemadrobheni nemalokishini nemakhaya muva nje. Abanye bawabiza ngokuthi magwinya, abanye bathi mafeti, abanye bathi mabhebenene, kanti amanye amalokishi bathi kidi baby. Bawachumeka indo zakhona bawaphekelele emlonyeni khulukhulu nakumakhaza. Sonke isikhathi esibekathengiswa nge-R1 lilinye. Manje ngoba indo sezibiza kakhulu sekayi-R2.
For the price of them, it's good. It's not a big price, and if they have overnight, the following day if you buy it, it's still fresh.
Lento yenza ukuthi sidla amagwinya ngekuseni. Masivuka ekuseni asikwazi ukuthi sipheke ngoba shawa isikhathi. And manje kuyabanda phela manje. Iwinter manje. So at least masivuka ekuseni sijahile sithenga amagwinya siwagawula ngendlela sesipanini. Masifika esipanini sifika sibalansile esiswini.
Kuyabiza ukudla eSouth Africa kodwa na ibhizinisi yamachachacha solo ibambelele.
Wonke amehla seniqhemeni ezibalekela ukugawula lizembe njengoba na iphela isizini ka-2022-2023 ye-DStv Premiership kusasa.
Inkutani ezivikele unongorwana iMamelodi Sundowns neMaritzburg United ziwuqede ngelesibili umdlalo wazo. Ezinye inqhema zibambana kusasa. Yonke imidlalo iyokudlalwa ngesikhathi sinye. iSundowns yawo umdlalo wokugcina udlale ngaphambi kwesikhathi ngenxa yokuthi yokuzwana amandla neWydad Casablanca kuCAF eLoftus Versfeld ePitori.
I don't have any fear, but because we're not playing and what happened in the first division, of course, it's going to be talks.
iChippa United esemsileni ingaphasi kwegandelelo lokukhupha yonke ikanayo nayirathulathulana neArrows.
We are playing at home, and if Maritzburg can do it, why can't we do it?
Ngokuchikhuni kusala umlotha njengomani Orlando Pirates neSuperSport United izulela ukuqeda ebujameni besibili beloko. Zombili zilingana ngamaphuzu ama-51 begodwa zifuna ukuzibona kuCAF yesizini ezako. Ngakelinye ihlangothi Kaizer Chiefs neCape Town City zivusa umdlenga zithwaleleni imphanga zibanga ubujamo besine. Umbanduli wamakhosi uAthazwane ungaphasi kelikhulu igandelelo lokuqeda isizini ngokuthumba.
We want to finish the season on a high. We've had our ups and downs. We had moments where we were happy. We saw things coming.
iPirates yokuzwana amandla namaZulu kanti isikhukhune salindelwe emafinal weNedbank Cup yokurathulathulana neSuperSport United. iGalants eqalene neZembe yokubhudabhudana neSwallows. iStellenbosch siyokutholana phezulu neTS Galaxy etatawini leDanny Craven. iRoyal AM nayo ekalkanela ukuqeda ku-top 8 yokuvakatshela uRichards Bay ebonakala imtherethere amalanga la esebujameni besini ukusuka emsileni.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ukuthi ngisiphi isiqhema esizokugawulwa liZembe kulezi ezidlala ngempela veke nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
United kusasa iZembe hla
iMarumo Gallants izogawulwa iZembe ngoba ngibona indlela abakhathele ngayo
isitema seMarumo Gallants kuzaba busy ukuthi sibuye
iMaritzburg United ngiyibona izosinda mina i-team ezoyehlathini iChippa United
iMarumo Galaxy yathi iyahamba yona ngibonile kwalapha kwisizini khange iqhubeka kahle kakhulu
mina ngibona iChippa United iyo relegate was straight
sibona ngakithi Chippa
Umbono ngewombukeli SABC ayizukuthwesa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Kanti ke ziphelela lapha zanamhlanje ubujamo bezulu buyalandela iphela veke emnandi.